Which part of the plant makes food? A. Root. B. Leaf. C. Stem. Answer is the B. Leaf. What process helps plants make their own food? A. Photosynthesis. B. Germination. C. Pollination. Answer is the A. Photosynthesis. What gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Answer is the B. Carbon dioxide. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. Answer is the B. Oxygen. What part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. Answer is the A. Roots. What is the main function of the stem? A. To absorb water. B. To carry food and water. C. To make food. Answer is the B. To carry food and water. What is the green pigment in leaves called? A. Chlorophyll. B. Hemoglobin. C. Glucose. Answer is the A. Chlorophyll. Which plant grows from a seed? A. Banana. B. Rose. C. Mango. Answer is the C. Mango. Which plant part grows underground? A. Stem. B. Root. C. Leaf. Answer is the B. Root. What do we call plants that live only one season? A. Annuals. B. Perennials. C. Biennials. Answer is the A. Annuals. Which tree gives us rubber? A. Pine. B. Rubber tree. C. Teak. Answer is the B. Rubber tree. Bamboo is a type of A. Grass. B. Tree. C. Herb. Answer is the A. Grass. Which part of the plant grows into a new plant? A. Fruit. B. Seed. C. Flower. Answer is the B. Seed. Which part of the plant bears fruit? A. Flower. B. Leaf. C. Root. Answer is the A. Flower. What do we call the process by which seeds grow into plants? A. Pollination. B. Germination. C. Photosynthesis. Answer is the B. Germination. What type of plant is spinach? A. Herb. B. Shrub. C. Tree. Answer is the A. Herb. Which tree gives us paper? A. Neem. B. Eucalyptus. C. Pine. Answer is the C. Pine. What do we call the small openings in leaves? A. Roots. B. Stomata. C. Buds. Answer is the B. Stomata. Which plant grows in water? A. Lotus. B. Rose. C. Cactus. Answer is the A. Lotus. Cactus plants store water in their A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. Answer is the B. Stem.